head Hinduism chairs all over the world. It is not that the Hinduism chair professor does not get paid. He gets paid more than an IT engineer. We never had a confidence that our religion is worthy of teaching. That is where the problem starts. We never had a confidence. This can be lifestyle. This can be the life and lifestyle. It is so sad. The modern youth think IT field is their life and career, but they do not get the confidence. Living and enriching the world of the Hindu tradition can be a career, can be a life, fulfilling. And West should have learned Hinduism from Hindus. Then even this question will not come. This question is from such a weak space. Such weak space. The question would not have come if we have the strength about our tradition and religion. So understand, many times I feel the whole US is filled with Indian doctors. Something like 60,000 Indian doctors are there in US. The American Association of Physicians of Indian origin has 60,000 members. Every year, thousands get visa. And almost 1% of the US population is Indians. But still, not a single US university has an Hindu heading Hinduism chair. Means understand the confidence we have on our religion and the confidence we have on teaching it. Even if they get paid, nobody takes up this line. That's the reason I am creating Rishikul, where I'll create at least 10,000 PhDs on Indology, on Hinduism, and see to it they are placed all over the world. We have sent enough of yoga teachers to the world. We have sent enough of yoga gurus to West, enough of IT engineers to West. It is time we send Indology PhDs on Hinduism, doctorates on Hinduism, to head Hinduism chairs. Doctorates does not need, the people who are supposed to head the Hinduism chairs does not need to be sannyasis. But even for that, we don't have strength. It is so sad. That is the reason we ask this weak question. It's almost asking like a, Swamiji, if I don't feel like breathing, what to do, how to handle the situation? Just die, that's all. Nothing else can be done. Weakness is death. Power is life. It's a statement from Vivekananda. Vivekananda says very clearly, expansion is life. Weakness is death. Next question.
The next question is from Inner Awakening ID number 8, Madhur, who's asking the sannyasis who took initiation in the Purna Sannyas during the Kumbh Mela would be sannyasis of Nityananda Sampradaya or the Mahanirvani Akhada or both. Are the two organizations standalone, independent, or does one take precedence over the other?
Madhur, Nityananda Sampradaya is part of Mahanirvani Akhada. Mahanirvani Akhada is part of Hinduism. So understand, it is like internal branches. Can you ask, does Bidadi stand apart from Ramnagar district? Does Ramnagar district stand apart from Karnataka? It is like just in Karnataka, Ramnagar district, and in Ramnagar district, Bidadi, in Bidadi, Nityananda Dhyana Peetham. Same way, in Hinduism, Mahanirvani Akkada, in Mahanirvani Akkada, Nityananda Sampradaya. So, you are sannyasi of Nityananda Sampradaya and Mahanirvani Akkada and Hinduism.
The next question is from volunteer Nitya Kailashananda from the IA Hall, who's asking who's qualified for sannyas. In one of the talks, Swamiji mentioned that he gives sannyas only to the beings who have taken at least 25 human lives before and matured. Can Swamiji please elaborate on this? He's also asking sannyas, society usually equates sannyas to running away from home and from responsibilities. Can you please give the right interpretation? And also, what is the solution for people who are already married? Swamiji suggested them to take sannyas in the old age. Should we wait till old age happens?
I'll answer all the three questions. First thing, who is qualified for sannyas? Paramahamsa Upanishad describes very beautifully, whoever feels he is complete with the life, whatever varana or ashrama he may be, means brahmacharya or grihastha or vanaprastha, or brahmana, vaishya, kshatriya, shudra, he can be any varna or any ashrama or any dharma. If he feels he is complete with himself and the world, he is qualified for sannyas. Whoever feels complete within himself and with others is qualified for sannyas. Yes, I do mention, I give sannyas only to the beings who have taken at least 25 human lives before and matured. Only if you take 25 human life, you even bother about completion with you and others. The eternal vacation which you are searching in your life cannot be achieved in any beach, any